Ever wondered why the smell of perfume spreads across a room, or why ink swirls in water like magic? Stick around as we cover diffusion of potassium permanganate to demonstrate how particles travel in a liquid medium. The experiment involves filling a beaker with water and introducing crystals of potassium permanganate into the solution. Subsequently, careful observation is conducted to track the behavior of the crystals and any resulting color changes in the liquid. The observed results revealed that the potassium permanganate crystals undergo dissolution, leading to the dispersion of a distinctive purple color throughout the beaker. This dispersion of color serves as a visual indicator of the diffusion process occurring within the liquid medium. What is the explanation for these results? The reason why potassium permanganate crystals dissolved and the purple color spread throughout the beaker is that potassium permanganate particles diffused from the region of higher concentration to the region of lower concentration. The even distribution of potassium permanganate particles is shown by the purple color spread throughout the beaker. Did you know? The human body relies on diffusion for survival. Oxygen diffuses from your lungs into your bloodstream without you even thinking about it. Nature's way of keeping you alive. And that, my friends, is diffusion in action, a phenomenon as simple as it is essential to life as we know it. From the spread of ink in water to oxygen reaching your cells, diffusion is the unsung hero of science. Now that you've mastered diffusion in liquids, what about gases? In our next video, we'll explore the diffusion of bromine gas.